How you doing, everybody? Jonathan here, and in this video and in 5 minutes or less, I'm going to go over a very simple topic that, if implemented, can help you to get more clients and in turn make more money. And this isn't a completely original idea. I actually saw this quote on an article somewhere by another trainer, but I'm going to expound on this because I know a lot of trainers don't make use of this two-step process. Now, before I go into this, as always, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. You can click on that YouTube icon right there or the button right below this video player, because every subscription that I get helps this channel and helps you to learn more from me. Now, what is this two-step process? This two-step process, in order to get more clients and make more money, is number one, do a good job, and number two, make sure everybody knows about it. And I think a lot of trainers get stuck with part two, where there are a lot of good trainers out there, and you may be one of them, but you don't have a lot of clients because you're not doing a good enough job of letting other people know about you. And you take all the onus on yourself. So you're going all over the place and you're posting flyers, which are still good, or maybe you're not even posting flyers. You're not doing any kind of social media post. You're not doing any web presence. You're not getting any referrals. You're doing nothing to let other people know how great of a job that you're doing. So you have this awesome example of all the great work that your training provides with Sally, who lost 50 pounds or whatever, and nobody signs up with you because nobody knows about it. So what are you supposed to be doing? You're supposed to be getting the word out and using Sally as a springboard. I always say that if you have one client, you can grow that one client into however many that you want. And even if it's not a stranger, start off with somebody that you know. Get awesome results for them. It doesn't matter if they were your mom, your best friend, or a stranger on the street. If you got results, you can tell other people about it, and then they will want the same kind of results that you were able to deliver. So how are you going to be telling everybody about it? Number one, very simple. You can encourage your clients to do referral or reviews for you on review sites like Yelp or like Groupon. Do you even have a Groupon deal up? Things like this are blasted out to a much further reach that you can never make on your own. So you want to make sure to establish these and then ask your clients to participate. All right. You can also ask your client to feature you on their Instagram. You can take a picture of the client, but that only goes to your reach. But if they write something about you on their Instagram, now it's going over to their reach, and then they're able to share it with other friends, who in turn share it with their friends, and then the word is getting out. Flyers do have a place. Do you even know how to create a flyer? All right, an effective one. You should be posting them in supermarkets and in daycare centers, and that way you won't have to run around all over the place. And then finally, you have to make use of search engine optimization. You have to put together your website so that when people search for personal trainer in your area or boot camp in your area, which happens a lot more often than you think, you're one of the first people to come up. And when they come to your website, you can post a little bit of before and after pictures about what you're doing. But the problem is, nobody knows about you. You can't just sit on your laurels and expect people to find you when you're not visible on the web, when you're making no effort on social media, and you're not doing the foot traffic. So you have to make sure that you're doing a good job of telling everybody. Now, there are a lot of trainers, unfortunately, that don't even know how to do a good job. Maybe you're good at the social media part, but you're not getting results for your clients. And that may be because you're doing an antiquated method of training, such as pick a body part, let's do 3 sets of 10, or upper lower 3 sets of 10. You're gonna have to be as dynamic as possible when it comes to creating your workouts. And if you're not mixing it up and doing something different, people are gonna replace you with any workout that they can find online or on Instagram. So you're gonna have to take your game up in terms of your training level. So it's a very simple process. If you're doing a good job, if you're getting results, ask yourself, how can I let the world know, or my general area know, about the results that I'm giving my client? All right. If you're good at getting the word out, if you're doing all the things that I said before, you have to think to yourself, how can I train in a more dynamic way so I can get results? And if you struggle with either or both, I definitely recommend that you check out my Dumbbells to Dollars course. My Dumbbells to Dollars course covers, number one, how to train more effectively and more dynamically in a way that's not the whole bodybuilder method. And number two, and more importantly, it will teach you how to get the word out on Yelp, on Groupon, through flyers. I actually have a lecture that I'm uploading within the next week on how to create your own awesome flyer in 5 minutes or less. and how to build your websites and get the word out. So these are things that you're gonna have to do. If you're not doing it, get on it now, and I guarantee you that it's gonna be helpful. So I'm trying to make my videos 5 minutes or less for Fridays. So remember, if you have any questions or comments, make sure to put them in the comment section below. If you have any questions on the Dumbbells to Dollars course, I'm always there for you, and I'll be back next week as long as you remember to eat healthy, hydrate, drive safe, stress levels low, get rest, don't slap anybody you love, your clients say they love you back. I'll see y'all tomorrow or the next day, and you have a good one.